Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, I am fine. Thank you so much for tuning in. If it is your first time here, I appreciate. Guys, you guys know I just had a baby. If you've been following me on IG, on TikTok, you will know I just had a baby. Yes, I just had a baby. It's 2 weeks today. My baby is 2 weeks old. Motherhood is so sweet. I'm so excited. In here I review wigs from different companies. That is all I do here. So today I'll be revealing KnotLess braided wig. You guys know with a baby, when you have a baby, no one have that time to go to the salon to go and sit for hours. You don't have that time, so that is why I like this braided wig that I want to share with you guys today. You just pop it on, style it whichever way you want to style it, and you're good to go. So the KnotLess braid I'll be revealing today is from Fancivivi. So it came in this pack, this bag you're seeing right here, and it's 36 inches. So long, you can style it the way you want. This is life-saving. With a baby, this is life-saving. Even if you don't have a baby, no one have that time to go and waste time in the salon, hours to sit down, braid hair. That time has passed. So I really like this braided wig. Let me just show you guys. Let me stop talking and show you guys. Okay, so this is it. This is how it came. You can see it. It's so long. It's 36 inches. One thing I like with this wig is so neat. Look at this. So neat, and it's lightweight. It's not heavy at all. That is one thing I like with it. Oh, look at this. You see this? So neat. So neat. The work is well done, and it came with baby hair that you can style. You see this? You see this baby hair in here? You just have to style this, okay? Ooh, look at this. It's really long, and the work is very neat. You see this? So neat, neatly done. It's really full lace, so you can glue it round, but I'm not going to do that today. You can glue this round if you want, okay? And there is inbuilt adjustable strap that came with it, and also combs that came with it as well. Then there is another inbuilt adjustable strap, you see, which is two. This one and this one, and some combs, okay? You see the combs that came with it, and the lace. See the inside, it's full lace, which is 360. So these are the goodies that came with it. We have a bonnet, and there is a elastic band here, pair of lashes, and some clips. So guys, don't worry, in case if you're interested, all information will be on the description box. I'm going to leave all information, the direct link to this braided wig on the description box. Is KnotLess braid. I will see if there's any discount code. I will include this on the description box as well. And the wig is affordable. All right guys, let me pop it on. Let's see that. So guys, this is it on. Guys, this is after about 40 minutes because I went to attend to baby. You can see it is so neat. Center part here, this is baby hair, and this is the lace. I'm going to cut the lace, so let's trim that. Now first of all, pack all this so that I can trim the lace. Okay. All right, let's do it this way. So I'll cut it very close. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do. I'm just following the hairline. Okay. So guys, I'm going to use styling gel to install this, to lay it down. Okay. I think I'll do that off camera, then I'll be right back. because my battery is gone. I'm just going to do this like this. Okay, see that? So I will do that all around, then I'll be right back to show you guys. So I will go dry it. Now that I've done that, so I'm going to bring out baby hair. You see all this? I'm just going to do this. And it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. I'll trim them little. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. I think I'm going to trim them. So let me lay the baby hair down. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. So guys, that is it. I lay my baby hair, you can see. So let me drop this. You see, this is it. It's so gorgeous. You see this? Wow, this is beautiful. Can make it grow, can make it grow, can make it grow. Sometimes gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes. So that is it for this knotless wig. I'm going to leave the link on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. It's so gorgeous, so beautiful. You guys saw it. This is lovely. You don't need to waste time to install this, and it saves time, okay? Not sitting hours to braid your hair. I really love this so much. The direct link to this wig will be on the description box, and the link to their website will be on the description box as well. So if you're interested, check that out. I will check if there's any discount code. It will also be on the description box. So I will see you guys in my next one. Gorgeous, if you like it here, before you go, why not hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye. Ciao.